Meet the FOXWELL NT301, your car's best friend in diagnostics. Ever wondered why your check engine light is glowing like a disco ball? The NT301 reads error codes faster than you can say, "Oops!" Access IM readiness status with a tap. No magic wand needed. Monitor live data and catch those sneaky engine gremlins red-handed. Supports over 100,000 car models worldwide. It's the United Nations of scanners. 2.8-inch color screen, because your eyes deserve a break too. Red, yellow, green LEDs. Traffic lights for your car's health status. No battery? No problem. It charges directly from your car. Eco-friendly. Recommended by mechanics on YouTube. They know their stuff, trust us. Perfect for home or auto shop mechanics. It's like having a pit crew in your pocket. One-click IM readiness test. Easy as pie, but less messy. Plug-and-play functionality. Even your grandma could use it. Probably. Get the NT301 and drive with confidence. Your car will thank you.